In today's video, I want to show you how to check your Apple account balance on your iPhone. To check your Apple account balance, it's very simple and very straightforward to do. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to your App Store. So let's go to my App Store. So once you get to your App Store, I want you to check the top right corner. You're going to see your profile over there. So I want you to tap on that, your profile picture. Once you tap on the profile picture, I want you to check down here. You are going to see where we have add funds to Apple account. I want you to tap on that add funds to Apple account. So once you tap on add funds to Apple account, it will load up another page for you. So once it loads up, we want to check. As you can see, it has successfully loaded up another page for us. As you can see here, it says my balance is 0 naira 0 kobo. So guys, this means I do not have any money on this account. So guys, this is how you can actually check your balance on your Apple account on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.